when you're kicking things over. See this little fella?
A scorpion like this with a large tail and small pincers means trouble. One sting and that could be a death sentence.
I'll take his stinger off. He's now edible. But he's gonna be lunch. Careful of the head, even after it's off. Look, you see the fangs on that. They're like little kind of hypodermics, but they're still capable of killing you, even now.
The safest thing, and that means energy.
Oh, my heart's really racing. But you know, puff out like this, even with the guts and skin on, you can eat them straight like this.
But it's even better cooked.
Oh my goodness. This one has been living in there a very, very long time. I'm not going to eat. I'm not going to need to eat for a week after this one.
Pound for pound, insects like these contain more protein than beef or fish. They're perfect survival food.
Oh, it actually ranks as one of the worst things I've ever eaten. That taste. It's like if all your friends get all their bogies together, squeeze them inside a sausage, and then you put that in your mouth. Man. I thought we'd be dragged into one of these thickets, which kind of tells me that the leopard was probably spooked off by something. Yeah, but this is what they'll often do. The leopard will eat twice, maybe once in the early evening, get its fill, and then once again maybe in the early morning. And then he'll leave the rest for the hyenas. But look, I can get at this before the hyenas. You know, it's fresh. But tomorrow, all of this just will have gone.
This would be safer cooked, but it's not the time or the place to stop and light a fire.
I don't want to hang around here too long. Yeah, the hyenas are going to be all over this soon.